Crunchified Clean friends, how do you find liability insurance for your cleaning business? Liability insurance for your cleaning business is a must-have for any cleaning business owner. Whether you're starting out or you've been in the game for a while, please get liability insurance. Insurance is something that we don't want to use, but God forbid if we ever do use it, it is good to have. If you were to accidentally break your client's television or an employee were to knock over a valuable vase, do you have the funds to replace that? This is where liability insurance will help you because you can file a claim and your insurance will take care of it. Just like any kind of insurance, it's something good to have in the hopes that you never need it, but if you do need it, at least you have it. Also, liability insurance is required if you plan on handling any commercial clients. They require their cleaning business that they hire to carry liability insurance. So where do you find liability insurance? I hear that question a lot in cleaning groups. My first suggestion with everything is always start with what you have. Do you have homeowners insurance? Do you already have car insurance? Reach out to your insurance agent and ask them, do they offer liability insurances for small businesses? If your insurance company does offer liability insurance, see if they offer a package deal where it ends up being a little bit cheaper if you already carry homeowners and car insurance with them and you go with them with liability insurance, maybe it's cheaper. If they don't offer that, then that's okay. But at least you already know they can offer you liability insurance. With liability insurance, you can get anywhere between $200,000, $1 million, $2 million. It depends on how much you want to pay for your coverage, how much coverage you need, if you have employees, how large the properties are that you're going to clean. It all varies, but those are conversations that you can have with your insurance agent. And if your insurance company that you currently have for your homeowners or renters or car insurance does not carry liability insurance, ask them if they know anybody who does. There are a lot of companies that do offer liability insurance. A quick Google search will show you, or like I said, you can ask a current insurance agent. They can lead you in the right direction. And don't forget, your liability insurance that you pay for is a tax write-off. You could pay monthly, sometimes quarterly, or even just pay it all in one lump sum at the end of the year. But liability insurance is a must-have for any cleaning business. And use the right products on the correct surfaces so that if, God forbid, you accidentally do damage your client's surface, depending on what you used or how you used it, if you are in the wrong, for example, let's say you used bleach on wood and you just ruined their wood, your insurance may not cover that because you used a product on the wrong surface or you did not follow the directions correctly. So you really have to be mindful of what you're using so that if you do need to file a claim, your insurance company can look into it and see if they will cover it. Because if they drop you, that can be a big issue. So keep those tips in mind, and I hope that helps your search in finding insurance for your cleaning business. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below. I have a cleaning business Facebook group. If you're a cleaning professional and you want to join, reach out, let me know, and I can add you to it. And check out my YouTube, my Clapper, my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, for more eco-oily cleaning tips and tricks and business tips and cleaning recalls and so much more.